Welcome everyone to another video. This is Vivo V21E and today I'm going to full review on this smartphone. I'm Shada from SHADAT'S Dayout. So guys, start the video. So at first talk about the phone build quality. The smartphone built with in the front is the glass and back and frame is plastic. And the smartphone comes with 6.44-inch AMOLED display with HDR10 with resolution 1080 into 2400 pixel, and this is 83.5 skin to body ratio with 409 ppi density with 430 nits. So overall the smartphone display is excellent. So now talk about the OS. The smartphone running Android 11 with Fantas 11.1 and the phone using chipset Snapdragon 720G and CPU using octa-core 2 into 2.3 GHz and GPU using Adreno 618. The smartphone comes with 8GB RAM plus 3GB external RAM, and this is 128GB ROM variant. So the smartphone is very powerful. All the app opening and closing speed very fast. You can play any types of game in a very high graphics and max setting. You can play PUBG Mobile in extreme to high, and you also play Call of Duty Mobile in high and very high graphics. By the way, Vivo V21E full gaming review coming very soon. So subscribe right now and press the bell icon. So let's move on the main video. Vivo V21 comes with triple camera setup, 64 megapixel main lens with 1.9 aperture, 8 megapixel ultra wide with 2.2 aperture and 2 megapixel macro with 2.4 aperture with LED flash. And on the front, the smartphone comes with 44 megapixel selfie camera with 2.0 aperture. So let's see some photo and video sample. Main camera and selfie camera, you can record highest 4K 30fps video, and you also record 1080 3060 video with EIS, and you also record 120fps slow-mo video. So now talk about the picture quality. The smartphone picture quality is excellent. You can get all the image is bright and sharpness and very colorful. By the way, I am already making a dedicated camera review on Vivo V21. Video link in the video description and on the I button. Go there and check this full camera review. The smartphone comes with in-display fingerprint scanner and face unlock. The smartphone powered by 4000 mAh battery with 33 watt fast charger, so you can get almost 1 day battery backup. Okay, this is all about Vivo V21E full review. I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, please like and share and sub the channel. See you next time to another video. I'm Shada from SHADAT'S Dayout. Allah Hafiz.